If you've got a module that you need or adapting, we'll customize it for you. We'll even design you a new module. However, if you're skillful enough and adventurous enough, it's a mostly open platform, so you can design your own modules.
Cool.
So imagine there's just one piece missing, and you're happy that the 9 of the 10 modules you need are already ready to buy. You click them together. You just got to finish off the last one. So it's a really easy way to get your hardware into reality.
Hey, it's Eamon with ipXchange. We're here at Hardware Pioneers Max 2024, and I'm with a very familiar face, Gavin from RAKwireless. So before we launch into this little guy here, Gavin, for our audience who haven't seen videos with you before, what do you do at RAKwireless, and what does RAKwireless do in general?
Thanks for the intro, Eamon. So RAKwireless in general, we are a private network hardware business, specifically focusing on LoRaWAN technology and surrounding hardware. So that's kind of in a nutshell what we do as a business. What I do, I'm kind of a bit of a hybrid in the business, both a product developer, and I help our customers in the UK and Europe find the right solution from our product range.
Cool. So last year we talked about WisBlock, and this looks very familiar as well. So what's going on here?
So WisBlock, yeah, it's a good memory. So WisBlock is our modular hardware platform, which allows you to build any kind of IoT device from modular blocks, hence the name. And to quote another brand name, is like Lego for electronic hardware. So we have this product, which actually is built entirely 100% from WisBlock. But it actually is a product you can buy ready-made from us. It's actually a LoRaWAN field tester, but it's actually built from WisBlock internally, and it uses our cool modular enclosure.
Cool. So in terms of the applications that an engineer would use this in and the problems it solved, what would you highlight?
You'd be using this device to plan out your LoRaWAN network.
Okay.
You'd be interested in signal strength, and how you might deploy your IoT solution. And the cool thing is, imagine you could have like an end-to-end RAKwireless solution. You could have a gateway from RAKwireless, which is our core focus. You could have your field tester to plan and deploy that network, and you could build your end device from WisBlock and RAKwireless hardware. So that's a really cool concept.
Yeah. What blocks are in here?
There's a range of modules. We have, starting from the outside in, we have a capacitive touchscreen. Unfortunately, it's not turned on at the moment, so there's a glass touchscreen here. We have the display driver module.
Okay.
We have one of our core modules, which are the LoRaWAN element to that. We have a baseboard, power supply, battery, and I believe we have a GPS module in there as well.
Nice. Yeah.
It's all kind of cleverly put together and hosted with a kind of the modular mounting plate in the enclosure, with this nice external antenna, which is part of the package.
Cool. So, and in terms of other options within the WisBlock family, if someone wanted to build something similar to that but with a bit more functionality, what could they add?
They could add so much more. So WisBlock is made up of 130 modules, and it's growing every month.
That's more than last time as well.
Yeah. So you just imagine what you want to do or could do. There's probably a module for that. However, some things few know about is we offer customization within the WisBlock product range. So if you've got a module that you need or adapting, we'll customize it for you. We'll even design you a new module. However, if you're skillful enough and adventurous enough, it's a mostly open platform, so you can design your own modules. Cool. So imagine there's just one piece missing, and you're happy that the 9 of the 10 modules you need are already ready to buy. You click them together. You just got to finish off the last one. So it's a really easy way to get your hardware into reality.
Cool. And I remember the last time we talked about this, because it's so modular, one of the special things was it's not like you need a minimum order of, like, say, 10 of the same module. You can have 10 different modules. Is that still correct?
It's still correct, yeah. You can buy one module from anywhere, from the family. You can buy 100, you can buy 1,000. One of the advantages that kind of low MOQ gives you is customers deploying IoT solutions. Some use cases don't rely upon one node, one hardware solution. They have hundreds of nodes, but they're not all the same. They have 5 or 6 or 7 different variations. WisBlock is a great platform to do that. Both from the point of view of that's your final use case. You need 7 different designs, and it's hard to design 7 things. Or actually, some folks are using WisBlock as a kind of a test bed.
Yeah.
And they're like, okay, let's deploy it like this. We didn't quite get it right. Let's go out again. Let's swap that module with a different one. You know, no hard pain to suffer. It's really flexible and adaptable. Yeah, with that really low MOQ of one unit.
Cool.
Yeah.
Nice. So always good to see you, Gavin.
Yeah, you too. Amy, thank you.
And this is a surprise. I didn't realise Gavin was going to be here. So
here.
if you want a extremely flexible IoT platform that you can build like Lego, check out RAKwireless WisBlock. We've got a full board page on our website which goes through basically each category of block that you can possibly use.
Hey, yo, where my engineers at?